Hello everyone, I am Anil Bharti from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, BLDS CET, Vijaypur. In this video, I am going to explain two connectives, NAND and NOR. Now, according to De Morgan's law, we know that this negation of P and Q is logically equivalent to negation of P or negation of Q. Similarly, negation of P or Q is logically equivalent to negation of P and negation of Q. Well, now this NAND operation is nothing but it is equivalent to not and it is read as not and it is denoted by this symbol. Okay, if I write it is like A NAND B and it is not and operation. So P NAND Q is logically equivalent to not P and Q. Again, this can be written as not P or not Q by using De Morgan's law. So this is NAND operation. Now, similarly, NOR means NOR is read as not OR. Okay. Now, and it is denoted by this symbol, downwards arrow. So P NOR Q. It is nothing but not P or Q because NOR is nothing but not OR. So not P or Q is NOR. And in turn it is written as not P and not Q. This is NOR operation. Now let me take truth table for this P, Q. Then P NAND Q, P NOR Q. Okay. Now if I take 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 as the inputs, then this NAND operation, it is nothing but not and. For and, wherever we have both input as 1, then output will be 1 and its negation means here it will be 0 and for remaining 1. Not or means usually for or operation if both inputs are 0 then only we write 0, but it is not or, it means it is 1, all remaining will be 0, 0, 0. Well, this is the truth table for NAND and NOR. Now let us consider some examples on this. Now sometimes it may be asked like prove that negation of P NOR Q is logically equivalent to negation of P NAND negation of Q. Now in this case we should solve the problem like, let us consider LHS. Well, this can be written as, see, not as it is. Now this is nothing but NOR. It means that not P or Q. Okay, if I distribute this negation, it will be negation of P and negation of Q. Okay, now this can be written as, see, this is not P and not Q and it's not, it means not P NAND not Q and hence true. Now you can solve the second example on your own. Well, the third example, P NAND Q NAND R is given as LHS. Now let us try to solve this. First let us consider the LHS and write. Now this can be written as, see, first let us try to solve this NAND. It means that not and not P and this entire thing, it is like U and it is like V. So let us write Q NAND R. well. Now what we can do is you write this negation of P as it is, then let us try to solve this. Now this example we can say that Q NAND OR, so means that not Q and R. Okay, now we can distribute this negation of P, instead of this and it will be OR by using De Morgan's law. Now negation of this negation will be Q and R, this term as it is, because this negation of negation will be nullified and we will be left with Q and R, and this is the required result. This is RHS and hence proved. In the next example, express the following propositions in terms of only NAND and only NOR. So this statement will be given and it should be represented only in terms of NAND and only in terms of NOR separately. So let us try to represent this for NAND. Now this not P, this can be written as, see, not P NAND, sorry, this can be written as P and P by using idempotent law. P can be written as P and P. Now it will become not P and P. So it will be P NAND P. So we have represented it only in terms of NAND. Now similarly for NOR, not P, this can be written as not P or P by using idempotent law. Means that not and, sorry, not or, it will be NOR. So P NOR P. Now we have represented only in terms of NOR. Now let us consider the second example, P and Q. Now we need to represent this only in terms of NOR. So this can be written as, let us take double negation P and Q. Now this can be written as not P. Now let us try to distribute this negation inside. Negation of P or negation of Q. Now it will be negation of P or negation of Q. Now what we can do is, by using the previous example, previously what we had, if not P, then we have written P NAND P. So the same thing can be followed, not P or not Q. This is the NAND, not P or not Q. See, if you have not understood, let me try to explain one more time. So if it is not P, what we have written, P NAND P. Okay. Now similarly, this P in this example is not P or not Q. The whole thing acts as P. So P NAND P. That's what I have written for this example. Now in turn, this can be solved as not P is like not P and Q by using De Morgan's law in reverse order. So this NAND as it is. Now this, I'll take negation operation outside, then it will be P and Q. Now not P of this, it means that P NOR Q. Sorry, P NAND. It should be P NAND. Sorry for that. P NAND Q. This NAND operation. Again, this can be written as P NAND Q. Not P and Q means NAND. Hence, we have represented it only in terms of NAND. Now, this is how you can represent simple or compound proposition which has only and or connectives only in terms of NOR and NAND. Thank you.